Hi, in today's video we're going to take a look at YouTube's autodub feature, which can autodub a video into another language, and this depends on the uploader actually enabling it on their channel. So what I'm going to do is actually show you how to enable this on videos that have got this enabled, and also how to set this up on your channel if you're eligible. So if you come across under a video here, and click the little the cog, what you'll see is this section here that says audio track. And what you'll see down here is the original and then other languages that you can choose from to have the auto dub enabled. So what I'm going to do is play the video in English and then go through and play it in a couple of other languages and then show you how you can set this up on your channel.
What's going on, guys? It's Adam P and welcome back to more Newcastle United transfer news. Match week 2 of the Premier League is now underway.
Okay, so that's English. So what we're going to do is we're going to come across here. We're going to go to audio track, and what we'll do is we'll do Japanese first of all. So what we'll do is we'll switch that to Japanese. I'm just going to reset the video and then play it again.
皆さん、こんにちは。アダム P です。ニューカッスルの移籍ニュースへようこそ。プレミアリーグ第2節が始まりました。もちろん、月曜日の夜にセントジェームズパークでリバプールと対戦します。
Okay, so let's choose another language. Let's choose, we got French, German, I think we got Spanish down here at the bottom. So let's do Spanish. Reset it.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Soy Adam P. y bienvenidos de nuevo a más noticias sobre fichajes del Newcastle. Ya ha comenzado la segunda jornada de la Premier League. Por supuesto, jugamos contra el Liverpool el lunes.
Right, let's go through and do some other popular languages. We'll do French and German, and I think that will give you the gist. So we'll do French.
Quoi de neuf les gars? C'est Adam P et bienvenue dans cette nouvelle actualité sur les transferts de Newcastle. La deuxième journée de Premier League est désormais lancée. Bien sûr, nous jouons contre Liverpool lundi soir à St James.
Okay, and finally German.
Was geht ab, Leute? Hier ist Adam P. Und willkommen zurück zu weiteren Transfer-News aus Newcastle. Der zweite Spieltag der Premier League hat begonnen. Natürlich spielen wir.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is now show you how you can actually set this up on your channel if you're eligible. I did query what you need to be eligible, what your channel needs to have to be eligible. And it's a bit unclear. You may need 1,000 subscribers, but that may not be accurate. So you'll have to check with your channel. But basically, if you come up to here and come across to YouTube Studio, and then come down to settings and upload defaults, and then advanced settings, and scroll down. What you'll see here is automatic dubbing. By default, you'll have a little button here that says enable automatic dubbing. And by default, what will be selected is allow automatic dubbing and manually review dubs before publishing. However, since I only speak English, that'd be a bit pointless because I wouldn't know if it's accurate or not anyway. So what I've done is unchecked the manually review dubs before publishing. So it just says allow automatic dubbing, click save. And what will happen is any new video that you upload will then have the option under the settings for the audio tracks to allow you to choose a different automatically dubbed audio track. So I don't think this applies to previous videos you've uploaded, only new ones. But it could be useful if you have viewers in other countries, and rather than just using the subtitles, you actually want to enable automatic dubbing so that they can actually listen to it. So that's how you set it up. I've set it up on the last video I did. So the last video I did and this video should have automatic dubbing enabled, so you can actually check out how it works. You can still use the subtitles if you want, but I just thought it'd be something to enable, and something that might be useful for. If I have a look at the sort of community section, where is it? Where's the analytics? Yeah, audience. Where's the section on top geographies? Okay, so top geographies. So we've got US, India, Germany, UK, Brazil, and I think there's a section somewhere down here that actually shows you, top CC languages. So I do get a few people using Portuguese and Spanish subtitles, so I just thought it might be nice to enable this so that those of you who don't speak English can actually listen to this with a auto-translated voice. So that's all you have to do to set this up, but as I said, it may depend on your channel's view count, how many subscribers you've got. I believe it's going to be rolled out more extensively, but you'll have to check and see if your channel's eligible to actually enable this feature. But that's all for now. Just thought that might be helpful.